such a gloomy, rainy off and on all day, but what a view to have on such a gloomy day, huh? It is so beautiful here. I don't care. I could just live on the beach. This has been my dream for the last few years, is to get to the beach, and I finally made it. It's not very crowded either, but it's only like in the 70s, high 70s though, but there's lots of kids out there enjoying it and in the water, so must not be real cold because they're really enjoying it. It's just so beautiful here. And we're here for a whole week to get to enjoy this. And this is just so relaxing. And then you get to see the boats out there every now and then. There's helicopters. I'm gonna sit back down. And there's, a while ago there was 3 helicopters going at once. I can't find the helicopter now. Sorry. Oh, that's somebody doing the, I don't know if it's parasailing or what it's called. But like I said, if I wasn't afraid of heights, I'd be doing that. It's so beautiful. And how beautiful would it be to see the ocean from up there? There's the helicopter, yay! I know my hands are a little shaky from having, oh, now you got all the helicopters. I can't get them all in one picture, but yeah, and it's just beautiful, very, very beautiful. I should have taken y'all to breakfast. We had a interesting scene going on. Police everywhere, detectives, but somebody said they think it was just a thing that they were supposed